China is pursuing a unique path to modernization. It is the modernization of a huge population, of common prosperity for all, of material and cultural ethical advancement, of harmony between humanity and nature, and of peaceful development. A Nepali political party leader said that the Chinese modernization will be an unprecedented feat.
Actually, the Chinese modernization is a very different, unique modernization. It is an unprecedented feat in the history of mankind. China has this unique, philosophy of centering around the people while going for development and for modernization. Development and building prosperity will lessen the conflict within a country or among the countries also. Let there be not conflict among the communities, among the civilization. We may belong to different communities and different civilization, but our common aspiration is to develop and to modernize ourselves. And that should be done in a peaceful environment. The party has gave much emphasis on the poverty alleviation, eradication. China has given much more emphasis on the well-being of the people in their education, the education of the as well as the health. We can learn many things from China. Its way of thinking and its making plannings, as well as the regional planning, and its discipline, and its the people-centered philosophy. So many things can be learned from